water. Got my coffee packed in. Slide it in. Got my cup. Put a little cream in there already. This here's the pre-steam. It gives a burst of steam for a few seconds and waits. And this is the brew button. Temperature, cold, warm, hot. This is the amount of water and the brew button. Notice the level indicator goes down, progresses down as it consumes the water for the brew. Just over a minute for the brew. It's done dripping. There's the drag container. That's a little bit hot. You can see it's a little bit hard, but it won't come out. You'll have to scrape it out and then rinse.
Howdy folks, today we're taking a look at this KOTLIE Espresso coffee maker. Currently I don't have any little pods, but it comes with like 3 additional ones that hold different types of pods, which is kind of universal, but all I have is coffee grounds, and it says smash it down, which I'm doing there. Then it should look like that, nicely pressed. I ran a couple cycles already because, you know, got to make sure you clear out the lines, and we're going to put her in and we're going to make our first pot of coffee. So you'll see it just slides right in there, really easy to pull out. Then you're going to pull this down, you're going to lock it in place. Then you're going to turn your power on right here, and you have different fill levels. All right, so if it flashes when you do this, just kind of re-push back in and close this down so to make sure that it's locked. So it'll start flashing the power button if it's not engaged properly. Here's your fill. You could take this whole thing off and fill it up. You can see I got plenty of water in there. So now what we're going to do is you could touch these things that do different levels. Since I'm going to go up high. Then you have the heater, like a cool, medium, high, hot. But we're going to go with a yellow. And then we're just going to hit brew. So here we go. It's flashing, it's telling us it's doing its thing. Smells good. It smells great. We're down to 1 bar, so it should be almost done. Cleanup should be a breeze. If you had the pods, it'd probably be even easier. I ordered some pods. They won't be here until Saturday. All right, we're slowly coming out. So let's go ahead and take a quick look. And there you go. I like it. I'm not really liking the dripping too much. There should be a better shut off, but it looks like it finally stopped. All right, so there you go. This is the KOTLIE Espresso coffee maker.